guys, Jeannie here and welcome back to my channel. So today I have a fun video. It is a Stitch Fix unboxing, yay, but this one is extra special because Nicole Burgess herself, she styled me. So if you are new to my channel, Nicole Burgess and I have been friends on YouTube for quite some time. I think we're coming up on about 2 years now, and she's the one who actually got me hooked on Stitch Fix. So what we decided to do is trade Stitch Fix info, and we styled each other. So she filled out my stylist note and I filled out hers, and now we're just gonna dive in to see how we styled each other. So you need to go and check out Nicole's video after you watch this one to see how I styled her, and you have to go and subscribe to her. And let's go ahead and comment a pineapple emoji if you're going to her channel from mine. And if you're coming from Nicole's channel to my channel, hi, my name is Gina Schweppe, and my YouTube channel is a smorgasbord of content. So you're gonna get couponing, you're gonna get mommy life, you're gonna get hauls. I'm literally obsessed with shopping and beauty related stuff, and thanks to Nicole, I'm now obsessed with the Dollar Tree. So I have a similar content to Nicole, so if you like her channel, you're probably gonna like mine as well. So let's just go ahead and hop into it. Now I have a video explaining Stitch Fix in more detail. I'll have that linked below if you guys are interested in taking a look at that. But Stitch Fix is a stylist service. So you fill out a questionnaire and your stylist handpicks items to you. It's shipped to your door. You try them on in the comfort of your own home, and then you keep what you want, and then you send back whatever you want. They send a return label so you don't have to pay for shipping, so it's super easy, and then you don't have to worry about taking your kiddos to stores to buy clothes, because I hate shopping with my kids. I love my kids, but I hate shopping with them. So if you want to sign up with the referral link below, definitely check it out. I highly recommend Stitch Fix. My Stitch Fix pieces are some of my favorite pieces. So now we're gonna go ahead and jump into the box. So let's see. Hi Gina and hi Nicole. So fun that your friend helped you out with today's fix. I'm including pieces that are functional yet fashion forward for your Vegas trip. Nicole tells me you're in need of a maxi dress, so I snagged a fun one from French Gray that reminded me of the one you pinned. Wear it with sandals and a denim jacket to walk the strip, or slip it on over your swimsuit while we're relaxing poolside. I didn't have the tank dress Nicole mentioned, but I did snag the Lux & Co dress, which has similar silhouettes. Wear it with your blush sneakers from Fix 10 for a day of exploring, or dress it up for dinner with metallic flats and the Vegas-worthy Bay to Baubles statement necklace. For a sexy night out, I snagged a Renee C skirt sized up for a better fit to wear with the Q&A blouse and moto jacket. So I'm so excited. I never look at the prices, so I always go with how something makes me feel before I go with the price. So I try everything on and then I go and look at the prices. So I'm super excited. So the first thing in here is a statement necklace, which is beautiful. So this is the statement necklace right here, and this is the Bay to Baubles statement necklace. Love that. And I love gold accents as well. I prefer gold hardware over silver, so that is great. So here is my bundle. I see some florals. I'm super excited about this, so yay! I love Stitch Fix. Ooh, and there's red. I love me some red. Nicole, you were looking for red too. So the first one, oh, this is sexy. I love this. This is the Q&A cutout detail blouse in medium. So I love this so much. So I love the detail at the top, and I love that it's not gonna be, you know, showing my boobies, which I like. And I like the little detail with the button as well. And I like the material too. It's very light and loose fitting. Oh my gosh. Wow, this is beautiful. I absolutely love this maxi dress. Oh my word. Yes, yes, this is so me. This is the French Gray Nichelle brushed knit maxi dress in black medium. Holy crap, this is beautiful. I love this so much. I cannot wait to try that on. This has to be mine, and it's so light. Oh, this is cute. Is this a dress? Shut up. Okay, this is the Lux & Co. Brenda t-shirt knit dress. And yes, I absolutely could wear this with my sneakers. Oh my God, I love this so much. This screams Gina. Oh my God, I love this. And I love the light blue. Holy crap, Nicole. Oh, the Renee C printed skirt to go with that red top. Okay, now this is beautiful. I actually really like this. Wow. I am super excited to try all this stuff on for you guys. So now we're gonna go ahead and get on into the try on portion. Okay, so this is the t-shirt dress and it has pockets, which is awesome. And definitely has the fingertip rule. How many of you guys remember that from high school? But this is the fit of the dress right here and it is adorable. This has to be mine. I don't care how much this costs. And this is so comfortable. I love the floral. I like the blue with the pink. This is absolutely perfect. So this is the Lux & Co. t-shirt dress. So I will go through everything after the try on, but I am liking this dress. Okay, so this is the red top and skirt. And I absolutely love this outfit paired together. This is really cute. So with this skirt, I went ahead and brought it to the smallest part of my waist and then I just tucked the shirt in and I absolutely love it. I love the red. I'll definitely have to wear like a bralette with it, but this is awesome and it would go perfect with like a bold red lip. And this is the back as well. And I like the length of this skirt because it is a knee-length skirt. So I think that that's really flattering. But yeah, I absolutely love this. This is so incredibly sexy, but it's not like skanky. So I absolutely love this. And then this is the top just on its own. So I absolutely could pair this. I could wear it untucked as well. And I think it looks okay. I probably would do it, no, I can't really tie it up, but I also could wear this top with some dark denim jeans. This is absolutely beautiful. I love this so much. Okay, you guys, this maxi dress is beautiful. Oh my Lord. I love this so much. I love the high neckline. I also have it paired with the statement necklace right here, which goes perfectly. I'll have to wear a different bra, but oh my word, you guys, this is absolutely beautiful and it is super comfy as well. Like Nicole, you hit it out of the park. Okay, so I am pretty much speechless. This fix, I already know, is a 5 for 5 for me. Everything in this fix is beautiful. Okay, so the t-shirt dress, the Lux & Co. Brenda t-shirt knit dress, this is the light blue. I got it in size medium and this is $48, which is a very fair price for a t-shirt dress. Oh my gosh, yes. Okay, so the next top is the Q&A cutout detail blouse. And this guy is $48, so I think that's a fair price for really cute date top. So that's a keeper. The skirt, the Lena printed skirt, the Renee C Lena printed skirt in off-white. This is $48. I love the price of everything here. Nothing is over $55, which is amazing. And this statement necklace right here, this is the Bay to Baubles Laney Floral Collar Necklace, and this is $28. And the maxi dress, the French Gray Nichelle Brushed Knit Maxi Dress is $54. Oh my God, yes. Everything is a yes for me. This is my favorite fix, 100% my favorite fix. So everything in total is $200 and $26. Now, when you buy all 5 items, you get a 25% discount. So that's shaving off $56.50. So my subtotal is $169.50 for everything. And I have a lot of referral credit thanks to you guys. Thank you so much. So my whole order total is going to be $26.12 because I have a lot of referral credit. So this is a 5 for 5. Nicole, You know my style so incredibly well, and you have, like, I probably might cry because you have made me feel so incredibly beautiful in everything that I have tried on. And coming from a postpartum mama, that is really difficult to feel 100% confident and beautiful in every single piece that I tried on. So thank you so much, Nicole. Thank you so much, Jan. You did a fantastic job going along with Nicole's note, and I am so incredibly excited. So I already know this is going to be a 5 for 5 for me. Let me know in the comment section below what you guys thought of my fix, because literally, Nicole, you need to sign up to be a Stitch Fix stylist. Like, I'm gonna tell Stitch Fix they need to hire you because you did a fantastic job at aiding my stylist to style me. And Jan, holy crap, this is my favorite fix. So yes, Jan, this is my favorite fix, 5 for 5. Knocked it out of the park. I am so incredibly excited about this. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like it so you know you have enjoyed it. Make sure you stop by Nicole's channel to see how I styled her. This was so incredibly fun. And thank you so much, Nicole, for doing this. And thank you for picking me out so many amazing pieces. So I think this is gonna be the winner for my special date. If you guys have been following me on Instagram, if you're not, you definitely need to follow me. My handle's right here. I have been searching for the dress, and I think I found it. 100% I have found it. So, wow, I am still in shock. I am so happy right now. Thank you, Nicole. So, in addition to your stylist being super personable when it comes to your style, my stylist also told Stitch Fix that my husband and I are celebrating our 5th year wedding anniversary. So on Sunday there was a package at my door from Stitch Fix, and I shook it and I was like, what the heck is this? So I opened it up, and it was the same exact piece of wall art that I have pinned on my home board on my Pinterest. So my stylist knows what my Pinterest board is because that's where she gets some of her inspiration, because I'll pin stuff for her. So she knows to look at my Pinterest board to know what I'm wanting. And she found this on my home board, and she was super sneaky and told everyone at Stitch Fix, and I got a handwritten note from Stitch Fix wishing my husband and I a very special 5th year wedding anniversary, and they had this made for me, and I am so incredibly shocked. And also the company that made this, it's called Labrador Woodworks. Yeah, Labrador Woodworks. So I'm gonna have their info in the description box too, because they're offering a discount to anyone who also wants this wall art. So all you have to do is email them and mention my name in your email, and they're gonna give you a discount. So if you like that and you want a discount, I will have all the info below. But I am just absolutely in shock that that little surprise came to my door because my stylist mentioned it was my anniversary. So Stitch Fix really takes care of their people, and I am so incredibly happy. And so is Tanner. Can you say hi? Hi. And here's Tanner. Hi. There he is. Oh, you can give smiles. Shoo. Hi, baby. You're right there. Okay. What? Shoo. There's the baby. So if you are on the fence trying out Stitch Fix, definitely use that referral code in the description box. You can get your fix too, because I 100% recommend Stitch Fix. They have amazing clothes, as you can see, and very unique pieces. I want to be able to find this in Target because I have been searching high and low for a maxi dress, and Stitch Fix won it. Stitch Fix won the race, so I am sold. So I'm gonna be taking back my Free People maxi dress that I spent $108 on. Yes, I still have the receipt and tag is on it because I wasn't 100% sold, and now your girl's gonna save about 50 bucks because this is $50 cheaper. So Free People's going back, and I'm gonna be keeping my Stitch Fix maxi. So you definitely need to check out Stitch Fix if you are on the fence, because they have beautiful and unique pieces, and I'm so incredibly excited to sport everything in Vegas. So I hope you guys have a fantastic day. Don't forget to like this video so I know you have enjoyed it. Subscribe to my channel. Check out Nicole. Send her some love. Subscribe to her channel if you are not subscribed already. Check out her. And don't forget to check out her Stitch Fix video because I styled her. So if you want to see how I styled her, then you definitely want to go and check out her video. So I will talk to you guys all later.